Welcome to another YouTube video. I don't know if any of you guys watched my making 90s goth dress with me video that was posted semi-recently. Anyways, remember when I said I'm not going to use a pattern anytime soon again? I lied. I totally lied. I found this pattern. It's from the 70s. I found it out at a flea market. Let me show it to you. And it speaks to me. See this? Does this dress, this one, let me see if I can point at it. Can't point. This one here. This one right here. Does that dress not say, fuck off and don't talk to me? It says, I'm wearing a cocoon of fabric and do not talk to me. And I'm very excited. I need a fuck off and don't talk to me dress. And I found some really great fabric. So, I think I'm going to make it. However, when I put this pattern down, bugs ran out of it. I'm not kidding, like actual live bugs ran out of it. So I killed them all. And now I'm going to open it and see what the 70s has to offer me. Hope you're excited. Look at this fabric. Isn't it glorious? It is kind of sheer. Can I put my hand under here? Can I put my hand under here? Come on. See, it's like a little bit sheer there. So people can, you know, maybe see a little bit of naughty through the dress. I'm excited. Here's the pattern. Look at it. Fuck off dress. Fuck off dress. I need one with a hood like that. That's fucking amazing. Come on. Okay, so this is supposed to be a maxi dress apparently, and you will notice that it is like knee length on me. So I don't know if people in the 70s were just really fucking short or like what the deal is, but apparently I'm gonna have to extend the pattern like probably by 2 feet. Okay, so I have laid out my pattern, and I have discovered that A, this has baseball sleeves, like from the 70s, obviously, which I've never done before. I've also discovered this is a very strange way to do a dart, which is a 70s cut again. And I have also discovered that the hood is just a completely separate piece. It is not attached to the dress. The dress actually finishes it, like you finish it, and then you put the hood on separately, and there's like just a face hole, which is the fucking stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. So as per last time, I am immediately bailing on this pattern and just doing whatever the fuck I want. Welcome to me cutting out pattern pieces willy-nilly. This is immediately not what I'm supposed to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, I'm gonna work on cutting out the sleeve. Apparently this sleeve has like a giant dart in the top and also a dart in the side. I don't know, man. The 70s was a weird fucking time. I'm gonna see how this turns out. And now comes the part where I design my own hood, because that is stupid. Okay, I think I've accomplished it. This weird ass thing, it's a hood, I promise. So now we're gonna see how it goes together. I have no idea. It was the 70s. It's fucking weird, so we'll see. Welcome to the sewing machine. I am gonna start with the sleeves. I'm gonna put darts in them and see what happens. Okay, so now we're gonna do the back, which is supposed to have a zipper in it, but I've decided that I'm not doing that either. This is like some sort of fucking like Mad Max pattern. I'm terrible. I hate following patterns so much. I don't know why I try this, but Mad Max motherfuckers. Looks like nothing. It looks like a giant pile of nothing. But now I'm gonna do the hood. So hopefully it's gonna look better soon. I think it's done. I'm not sure. I can try it on. This crazy fucker, it looks like nothing. I know you can't see it, but look at his sleeves. Aren't you excited? I'm gonna stand up and show you this properly. So here it is. It's done. It looks like a potato sack. That's the hood. Woo, hood flip. So I'm excited to try this on. This should be a loosey-goosey, comfy. I'm pretty excited for it. So just gonna put on some accessories and then you guys get to see it for realsies. La 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 la. Me making a weird kind of 70s dress. I don't know why I follow patterns, you know that? Like I get a pattern, I'm gonna do this, and then I immediately throw it out the window. Like I cut none of the notches, I put in none of the zippers, I didn't use the stupid fucking space hood because this is way better. Like what do you guys prefer? This or like this with this all sealed so you look like a fucking weird space helmet? Like that's stupid. Why would you do that? I don't know, the 70s was a weird time, man. But yeah, I made it. I actually saw a comment on a previous video where someone said, hey, it'd be really fun if you took a normal pattern and then you kind of like gothified it. So I guess I kind of like did that accidentally because this looks nothing like the picture, but I like it. I would definitely make more dresses like this because I'm comfy yet fashionable. And I believe this dress truly says, fuck off and don't talk to me. We're going to have to find a different name when we title the video, but that's the real name. Don't tell anyone. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and if you did, if you could give this video a thumbs up, 1, 2, like this, that would be great. If you want to subscribe to my channel, that would be even more great. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I'm going to post fabulous pictures of this dress, I'm under Madame_Absinthe. Same thing on Twitter. If you want to follow me on Twitter, sometimes I post about my sewing there, or pictures of my face, or sometimes like weird penises and Santa hats. You won't know unless you follow me on Twitter, will you? And that's it. Oh yes, ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell, ring the bell for notifications, and that way you will get all the notifications for when I put up more videos, sewing, vlogs, whatever. I don't even know what I do. All sorts of things. And yeah, there you have it. Hopefully you will be around to see my next sewing video.